In this episode, we camp and explore a forgotten church in the middle of nowhere. Hi, I'm Bob, an urban explorer, and with friends I explore the most amazing abandoned places worldwide. I'm on a road trip in Greece with Elaina and Dan and heading to a lignite mining area. Back in 2017, Ilko, Friedrich and I already ventured into the lignite mining areas of northern Greece, uncovering abandoned places, some of which you can find on this channel. However, what we didn't show was our exploration of a now demolished Greek Orthodox church. We also stumbled upon another church we couldn't enter, but it seemed promising with many gold objects inside. Now, after a few years, it's time to revisit this forgotten site and see what remains, since I never saw any publications on the internet about this place.
We want to check the maps.
Yeah. Roads are getting worse and worse. I think the last bit we have to walk, because the roads to the church are gone. Almost arrived. Don't see any sign of a church. Has to be down here somewhere. So we're fully packed. Gonna hike to the church right now. All roads leading to this church have disappeared, forcing us to make our way through the overgrown greenery. The vegetation is getting really high here. Yeah. Maybe on the right.
You can feel it on the ground. It's starting to get a little moist. What the fuck was that in there?
We're on a safari, night safari. Yeah. We arrived at the church. Wow. Oh. Last time it was completely closed, but now there's an open door. I already suspected this because it's really remote now. So the church got gutted since my last visit, but the experience to be here is still pretty amazing. Dan is sweeping the floor. We're gonna put up our tent right here. And the funny thing is, right at the entrance of the church, there's water now. Crazy. He's attracted by the light.
Yeah, I think so too.
Oh, he's mad.
He's gonna jump at us in a second.
He's aggressive.
Yeah?
Such an epic place. We forgot our plates, but look what Elaina found in the church. Plates. A nice table for the food.
Fucking nice spot, man.
Yeah, man. Night safari. We put up the tent there. Nice spot at the water. It's really life after people, this place. Yeah. Completely taken over by nature. Crazy. It's time to get some rest. Good night. Look how strong the moon is. Looks like the light is still on outside.
Oh, is there someone out there?
Crazy.
Good morning.
In the morning, we finally catch our first glimpse of the surroundings. And it doesn't disappoint. I hardly recognize the area. It's incredible how much the landscape has transformed. How did this church end up in such isolated, eerie setting? This church sits in the heart of a lignite mining area. Lignite, or brown coal, is a low-grade coal used primarily for electricity generation. Mining it often requires large-scale open-pit operations, where entire landscapes are stripped away to access the coal beneath. It's one of the least efficient and most polluting forms of energy, with entire villages sacrificed to fuel the process. This church, along with a few others, are the last remaining structures, standing as a lone reminder of a village that once thrived here, before it was wiped out by the mining operations. Here are some comparison photos between 2017 and 2024.
Morning, guys. We had 7 hours of sleep in this beautiful place. The frogs never stopped. Yeah, we're quickly gonna explore the church and then we're gonna explore the area, see if we can find something interesting. So we had some snacks. Time to look around in the church. So the last time I was here, everything was locked tight and it looked pristine inside. I saw a lot of gold-colored objects, like big lights, but now it has been gutted. You can see they also took all the chandeliers. It's still very charming. Oh yeah, they forgot the clocks, yeah. It's beautiful, those Greek Orthodox churches. You know, in other videos I always got the comments, you don't go to the altar, but in this shape, you know, no one cares anymore. Yeah, this is like a sacred spot, but you know, when you see this, it's not really sacred anymore.
It's nice with the carpet down here, huh?
Right?
Oh, whoa! Look. Oh, it looks like an Albanian flag,
Right.
you know? That's cool. And there's even carpet under this.
It's a nice one, huh?
Look at where my finger went.
Oh, but you can clearly see where the pigeons are sitting. That's to make candles.
Yeah, it is for sure.
I had to make those tiny ones.
We have a cup of coffee. We didn't have that this morning.
I found your gold.
That's nice.
I found your...
Have you seen this one? TV is the devil.
Really?
Yeah. You.
That book's from 2007.
2007. Oh. Nice. I always like the writing with the first letter, really nice, decorated.
Oh wow, you found a picture book.
Oh, no.
It might be the cloth of some...
I think it's some flowers, or is it a cross?
Almost
Oh.
like cross stitch.
It is. Oh, you have to turn it upside down. Henry. You see? That's the cross. Yeah.
Yeah.
With some flowers. Cool. Details in front of the altar are still pretty nice. We found a part of the lamp.
It's gonna fall.
Yeah.
Put it like...
So everywhere is carpet, you said. Oh yeah.
Crazy, right?
You. Yeah,
Altar?
something with the altar maybe.
Just some like.
Oh, that's nice. This looks like a hat. Or wait. Yeah. Oh, they're eating.
The whole spine of an animal in there.
Really?
Like this big.
Oh yeah.
I think it's empty.
Is there bird poop in there too?
Yeah. It's
Lots of swallows here.
This is the same like the one downstairs, right?
The same we saw before. Oh.
Wow, that's a nice one, huh?
Yeah. There's many symbols in it.
Yeah, the
You
eyes
see
and
the eyes?
stuff. Yeah.
Dan is renovating the paintings.
Oh, it's nice this one, huh?
It's a famous pose.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, and there's little gems in it. Did you see that?
Oh yeah. Totally staged now. Nice,
Oh, that's nice.
You wonder how old this book is. Dan found some older papers from the 60s. Old stamps.
My stamps.
This is from 74.
Oh, it's 74.
It looks fucking old.
He just revived from
Maybe it's from 66, like the books.
Oh,
It came out of this one.
Really?
It is kind of nice up here.
Some fake details. It's concrete, but it looks like it's bricked. There are a few more churches we can try. And then we have some industrial places and some big ass machines. Let's hope something more works out in the area. It was a really nice spot to sleep. Really nice, right?
Oh, I know. It's beautiful.
And not many mosquitoes.
I was surprised. Look at this.
Too many frogs maybe. But...
Should we put it in a trash bag?
Time for the next spot. There's another small church in the distance. We're going to check it out too, since we're here. There in the back, you can see this church where we camped. Hey! It's like a wine rack. Oh yeah.
Nice with all the experience and stuff.
You wonder why they built such a small one next to such an epic one. Yeah. Maybe side.
But what made me oh, the swallow's nest.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Somebody cut it open.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Wow.
We head back to the car and set out to explore a few other nearby churches.
Oh, here it is.
Oh,
I have no clue if it's in use or it's abandoned or...
yeah.
Oh, it looks pretty in a good shape, you see. It's not abandoned. Too bad, but worth a check. You can see it. There's a water tank. The windows are really clean. People still come here to pray.
It turns out that not all the churches in this lignite mining area are abandoned, but soon enough we come across another abandoned one.
So we found this church by coincidence. We drove by and it looked abandoned. It's pretty cool. There's no bird shit like the other one. It's pretty crazy. So all these churches are abandoned because they demolished the whole village with lignite mining.
Crazy.
Yeah, and the only thing which is still standing are these churches, but after so many years of neglect, in the end, they destroy the churches too.
Look at the curtain.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice. Ah, here you can see all the holes. So they remove most, but one of them is still in place. I think even here they had paintings, but they removed it. Cute angel. What kind of material is it?
I don't know.
Feels a little bit fake, eh?
Yeah, there's a nails in it.
In the end, it seems inevitable that most of these churches in the lignite mining area will be demolished one day, despite trying to preserve them.
Anything in there? Oh. Life lessons here.
I don't get this one.
No. The death of privacy. Local religion guy.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment and thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more epic adventures. In the next episode, we will explore some giant excavators.